Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alyssa if you are new, and today we are doing my gym essentials, what's in my gym bag. I wanted to share with you guys who are either starting your journey or you're in the midst of, and just kind of some of the things that I picked up that have really helped me elevate my gym game, elevate my workouts, that aren't too expensive, that are easy enough to take to and from the gym. Please be sure to subscribe down below and like this video to support my channel. I would really appreciate it, and let's get into the video. All right, for starters, we should talk about my gym schedule, just so you guys have a little bit of background on how often I go to the gym, etc. So I go to the gym about 2 or 3 times a week. I shower at the gym and I put on a fresh change of clothes afterwards. And a lot of the time I just do a quick warm up and then I'm lifting weights or on machines. Now, I used to be a really big cardio person that did maybe a little bit of free weight exercises and or used 5 to 10 pound dumbbells for all my exercises. But since looking into kind of the body and physique that I want, lifting weights, and not overly heavy weights, but just more focus on lifting weights, less focus on cardio, will get me to the body that I want. With that in mind, let's start off with shoes. I love the Nike Metcon shoes. I actually picked these up. These are a men's 6. And I picked these up because I wanted some support for weightlifting, but I also wanted a good shoe if I needed to warm up on the treadmill, or if I wanted to do some jump squats and use the bands. Like, what was a good universal shoe that I could find? And this was one of the ones that were top rated. What I love about this shoe is that it's pretty flat in terms of the structure of this shoe. You know, some can have a little bit more arch, but this one's relatively flat, which makes it easier when you're weightlifting to have a flat surface. Now, nothing beats Converse, but I'm not at that point where I'm wearing Converse to the gym. The cushion on the shoe is really nice, and it fits really well around your ankle. It's like a stretchy neoprene material, and my foot feels very secure in it. I will say that the laces are not the best. They tend to slip and slide a little bit, so you do have to double knot it. But this area here in the toe makes it really breathable for your feet, and I've just really been enjoying using them. I know they look new. I just don't wear them outside, so I change them when I get to the gym, but they really are a great shoe, and I would highly recommend if you're looking to pick up a new shoe for training, for the gym, just a universal workout shoe. Let's start off by saying I know my tote bag could be better. Let me know what bag you bring to the gym. I probably should bring a full-on bag, but I've got so many of these reusable totes, so whatever. It's easy to wash. So the first thing I have in here is a barbell cushion, and this is great for all of you doing hip thrusts or any sort of squatting where you're putting the barbell on your back and you want some support. This has been a game changer for me. This is from the brand Pro Fitness, and I actually got a few other things from Pro Fitness in my workout bag just because I was so impressed with the quality. You can find them on Amazon, and of course, I'll leave the links below. This one, you do need to adjust these Velcro straps over the bar, and sometimes, even though I'm pulling it with all my might, it will still move around a little bit. So I would say it's not the greatest, but if you're being cautious, if you're being careful, you can obviously readjust it while you're moving. The next item I have are my resistance bands, and these are again from Pro Fitness. I actually got them in a set of 3. So this is the medium resistance, and then I have the heaviest resistance, and then the lightest resistant band I actually just don't use. It's up in storage, but I love to use both of these for doing some glute activation beforehand. They are really sturdy, really durable. They are a like knitted fabric material versus a like rubbery, stretchy type material, but I really like it. They have these grooves, these rubber grooves that help stick to your body so they're not slipping around or moving at all to your body. And overall, I feel like the material is good. I haven't noticed a ton of fraying. I haven't noticed any issues. They are very comfortable to use, and 10 out of 10 would recommend. Now, the thing that's great that comes with those bands is it comes with a little bag. So this is the bag you can put your bands in, and this is where I like to put my keys, my ID, my phone, my AirPod case. And this is great because all I tote around the gym is this little bag and then my barbell cushion. And it makes it so much easier because nothing's worse than like having to carry a bunch of stuff around the gym for your workouts. So having a nice little bag like this was great, and I didn't have to pay extra for it. It already came with my bands. The last item in my gym bag are these hand grips, hand protectors, hand cushions. I'm not sure. I don't know the actual term, but essentially I was lifting weights a lot. I was doing, you know, a split of arm and back days, and my hands were just getting chewed up. So how these work is on the inside, it's got the side that it should be on, so this is the right side, and I did get a size small. So all I'm gonna do is pop this in right here and just adjust it. I don't make it too tight because then it like literally feels like it's squeezing the life out of you. But what it does is just protects your hands when you're lifting those weights, when you're pulling them towards you, and just gives like a barrier on your hand so you're not getting those calluses, you're not getting chewed up by the machines. They're not perfect by any means, but they definitely get the job done. Because I shower at the gym, I definitely bring a change of clothes in that bag as well, and thankfully it's been warming up, so I don't have to bring such heavy bulky clothes anymore. I'll usually just bring a change of socks, obviously pants or shorts, a hoodie and a tank top, and then I also now bring an extra mask, just because when you're sweating in the mask, it's really hard to then shower, get fresh again, and then put it right back on. So I always bring an extra mask in my bag so I don't have to deal with that, and also the mask knee that comes with it. For those of you also on your fitness journey like me, keep going, keep pushing. It's almost summer, and I'm just so happy with the progress I've made. I've been going to the gym for almost 3 months now, and it's really helped with my overall mental health. It's helped with my body and my physique, my endurance, my strength, and I'm overall just so happy that I took the plunge and did it. I will leave everything down below for you guys to check out. Again, this is super beginner friendly, very affordable, all found on Amazon, so I'll be sure to leave it down there for you guys. But thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe and like this video down below if you want to see more from me, and of course supporting my channel, and I will talk to you guys all very soon. Bye.